Hey guys, welcome back to new video on How Logical. In today's video, I will show you how you can open Chase bank account. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC and on the URL bar search for chase.com and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you search for it, you will directly take it to its official homepage. Now scroll a bit down and there you will find. Now if you want to create a business account, you can take this business option, and if you want to apply for credit card, you can tap and select this credit card option. Now suppose if you want to create a saving account, then tap on the savings option. Once you tap on it, you will take into the next page where you will be able to see two types of savings account on your screen. Now compare these accounts and choose one for you, then tap on Open Now button. Now here you will be asked, are you a Chase customer? If you are, then tick this yes box, yes circle, and if not, tick this no circle, and then tap on next button. After that, you will taken to the next page where you have to fill in your personal details. Now start with the first name and then type in your last name. After that, you have to choose if you are a citizen of US or not. And once you choose your citizen, you have to choose your country of citizen, and then you have to choose if you have a green card or not. Then you have to fill in your birth date, security number, and then you have to choose the type of your ID and then type in that ID number along with the issuing state or territory, and then you have to fill in your address, zip code, city, and then you have to choose state, and after that you have to fill in your email address and your phone number. And once you're done with it, you have to check the square boxes and then tap on next button. And once you tap on next button, you will taken to the next page where you have to choose your account preferences. And once you're done with it, you will be able to create your Chase bank account. Now that was the step-by-step process on how to create Chase bank account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.